Good morning. Good morning.
And finally, new rule, nothing with crypto in the title ever turns out good.
Don't write me about Bitcoin, please. I don't give a f***, so don't ask me.
Bitcoin happens to use a lot of energy. It happens to promote anonymous transactions.
Bitcoin is not a currency.
Not bullish on Bitcoin.
You, John McAfee, believe in the power of Bitcoin. So much so that you'll put your on the table, chop it up, put it in your mouth, swallow.
If it doesn't reach at least $1 million.
99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are f***ing morons. That's just it.
What's it feel like to be a Bitcoin?
I don't have any Bitcoin.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
Good morning. All right, let me finish this tweet. GM, everybody. Welcome to the GM show. D-Gen in the house, not Yoda in the house. What? Oh, did you say sub? Is that what that was? Let's get a little air horn. GM. Yeah.
Let's go.
GM, let's go, everybody. It's Monday.
Tuesday morning.
Or whatever. It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
It feels like Monday to me because we didn't have the show yesterday.
We were celebrating.
I told everybody in the Discord how you were volunteering at the MLK Day Parade there as a juggler. I didn't even really know you were a good juggler until you told me you were going
I know. I was burning a whole bunch of Confederate flags and stuff. And,
Whoa!
Disgracing Robert E. Lee statues.
I'm glad I was not drinking coffee. While you were saying that, I would have spit it everywhere. You say that. Okay.
Yeah, you know, you got it was Robert E. Lee's birthday.
That sounds more like that doesn't sound like a parade. That sounds like a protest.
I don't know, parade, protest, tomato. You know what I mean? Like
you guys go crazy in Denver.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
No, you guys went
Me and
hard
my
like
Antifa bros. Yeah.
Oh God. I can see it now. Mr. Tink Profits running around with Molotov cocktails. Okay, let's get in to the show. Hey,
hey, who's Daddy? Who commented first?
Yeah, you figure out who Daddy is. I know who it is. Because I actually had the wrong screen up.
In case any noobs are here, if you're the first to comment, then you're Daddy for the episode. So
yeah, that's
Mr. D-Gen is Daddy. That's how.
Congratulations. Yeah. You are our father.
LFG.
Let's go. Dude, OptiChads in the house. OptiChads are looking great. I love
optimism.
The OptiChads and Dekansas, they're like holding similar floor prices, and it just makes me feel like everything is good in the universe.
Everything's good.
Exactly. Stream wasn't even going when D-Gen commented. Shame on you, D-Gen. Oh, he slid in. He slid in to get Daddy, and now not Yoda is taking shots.
Yeah,
shots fired in the chat.
There is no rules on how you get to be
fired.
First. You know,
in the chat.
If you have the
chat is there
to get there, then take
daddy.
it. You know,
if you want to show up 20-30 minutes. I do see, D-Gen was here really early with that one 12 minutes ago. The show wasn't even on for another 8 minutes. So he slid in nice and early. That's called strategy. That's strategy.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Early bird gets the daddy.
The daddy. Real Daddy shows up early.
Do the pitch. Exactly. Don't you have something to pitch? You have something to pitch, right?
Oh no!
Can we
just have the chat be the show? We'll just disappear. We'll just let the chat roll on screen.
That's much better, I think, that way.
Probably. Yeah. Okay. GMTV.lol place to be for everything GMTV related, and check out the GM Bots NFT collection. It's our NFT. Time to shill it. And it's minting right now. You can mint one of these. And you get holder-only Discord channels. Holder-only stream, which is tomorrow. Will be a holder-only stream every Wednesday now.
Pew, pew, pew.
Exactly. Access to the Kimono trading view indicator, which we use every morning here on the show. And it's like an all-in-one trading indicator. It gives you all kinds of indicators in one, so you can ride the free plan.
You don't even need the paid trading view plans. Save your monies, save it all.
Save your monies. Give it to a GM bot.
All you need is the Kimono wave indicator, and you can be trading like a pro.
I think that was nice and very advertising sounding. I think that the trading view, like the top trading view tier, is like $69 a month or something like that too.
Of course, they would have it like
you
that.
might as well just buy a GM bot.
That's exactly what they would. Yeah, you should just buy a GM bot.
Exactly. And when you burn it,
you shit ton of money.
You sponsor the show. Thanks to the sponsors, the burn sponsors. They're in the description and all around the show. So that's my pitch. Okay, Bitcoin hits new post-FTX high as analysis warns move is choreographed. I don't know whose analysis. That's funny. What is this supposed to mean? Bitcoin still risks a support rug, says analysis. What's analysis? Is that a person? Is that someone's name? As Bitcoin price hits fresh 2-month highs.
It's like, hey, Ron.
Says that.
What kind of name is that? Hey, Ron.
Oh, what kind of terrible parents would name their kid Analysis? That seems like a celebrity kind of name that you name your kid.
Dude,
like.
I know, man. There's so many bad names out there. Man, I'm trying to think. My
well, the Michael Jackson ones are
on Instagram.
Blanket.
Oh yeah, dude. Like, what the fuck, man? Like, why would you
name your poor
that?
kid Blanket or Analysis?
I swear there was a kid named like Potato or something. I saw. Like, I was just like, you're just like,
that's a real bad
setup, dude.
You're cursed from birth with that name.
I just don't. Oh, Concrete, bro. Name is Concrete.
I don't know if that's like extremely based and
the dad
and
is
cool, or if that is
like
extremely
cement
cringe. Oh, his dad does cement, and he called his kid Concrete.
Some shit like that.
Okay, yeah. I don't know. That's a little weird.
Fuck, man. And see,
that's like if I called my kid GM.
My fat ass, when I think of a Concrete, I think of like those ice creams, like a fucking Blizzard. You know, it's like
GM would be better actually.
Yeah.
Than Concrete. Oh, Blizzard. Maybe that's what it was about. Maybe it was about the Blizzard, dude.
No, it wasn't. I'm telling you. No, it's my wife's friend on Instagram.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa, okay. I'm not gonna go further into that.
So it's somebody that we know that this is an actual what?
Nothing. Okay, so data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView followed Bitcoin USD as it consolidated above 21,000 after hitting 21,455. This marked the pair's highest point yet in 2023, latest accomplishment in a bullish recovery, unchallenged since the FTX debacle. Amid widespread mistrust of the move, however, fresh warnings arose as Bitcoin continued to defy predictions of a major retracement. I know everybody and their mom is like, take your profits.
I know, man. I've been saying it like for I think since Friday.
Since it started.
Yeah, pretty much. Well,
every day,
every level of my take profit levels. So it's like I've taken all my profits at this point. So it's like it's even it's breaking my take profit levels on a couple tokens. So it's like it's not a. So I'm just looking for the short now. I'm just waiting for the short or seeing if we're just gonna get a little retrace back to support. I'll show in the charts. We'll go to the charts.
Yeah, this quote here too is saying something very similar, and just saying like whales are pretty much trying to attract more bids to exploit the thin upside liquidity. They'll start rugging support.
There's gonna be stop losses to hit, liquidations to hit. You can't have this kind of run like this and not expect some blood afterwards,
Okay, Degen's gonna name his son Chad. That's the most Chad move
Chad
ever. I mean, Hey, I can't argue with that. Solana re-enters top 10. Nope. You can't either. You don't get to. This is not a free speech show, buddy. Solana re-enters top 10 cryptos following impressive 135% rally. So, yeah, I mean, Solana is back in the top 10 after, I mean, quite a pop there on that chart in pretty much one day. Like on the 14th, it went from like 17 to 24.
Yeah, dude,
on the 14th. That's crazy.
Yeah.
So, what's going on, you might be asking? Well, Solana executives disclose ultra bullish 2023 strategy for ecosystem. Austin Federa, head of strategy and communications at the Solana Foundation, has hinted at major development for the Solana network in 2023, igniting a major spike in Sol's price after 3 months in the doldrums.
Yeah, that's going to give it a couple days pump, but that's it. You know what I mean?
So, yeah, they're going to focus on reinvesting in the fundamentals to create opportunities for bidlers in 2023.
It's just a shitty NFT fucking chain, bro. Just
he announced they were
You're not
going to
be anything other than that.
The network's processes by building a new validator client. So, they're trying to essentially create a redundancy in their system that would make it so that that would eliminate outages essentially, unless both went down, which would, be probably pretty rare. So anyway, they're working on stability. I mean, I would have to say that's probably one of their biggest criticisms from people.
I would say that should probably be, any blockchain's priority number one is just to stay up and operational, So cool. Good for them. It's super bullish. They're going after the priority
it's
number
not
one.
Super bullish.
Super bullish.
Ultra bullish.
Ultra super mega bullish.
Exactly. Okay. 600,000 liquidations hit. Short. Yeah, we know shorts are getting wrecked. Suspected North Korean hackers.
I just don't know, dude. With the whole people, with all this, everyone's getting, all the bears are getting fucked and whatnot. I'm like, you really didn't take profits when you were shorting that shit? You let Bitcoin get down to 16K and you're just like, I'm holding on to this short. Bro,
dude, so many liquidations. 180 million in the past 24 hours alone.
It was incredible. I don't understand.
I think it's partially
take your profits.
It's partially our. It's partially. I don't know. It's partially our fault as the crypto media.
Butters in chief.
Well, yeah, and I've seen a bunch of people like Tony over at Totino's Pizza or Traders Reality.
Yeah.
He, his thumbnails. I don't even know what he's saying, but I could tell from his thumbnails. His thumbnails the past couple days have been like, get the fuck out, take your fucking profit. So people are doing that. But there are people who are not and are just, but there's people who think, but I think that because all the FUD sentiment, there's been lots of people who are like, oh, well, maybe they don't have positions, but they want to try to short it. Because they're like, oh, everybody's saying it's going to go down, I should put in a short. And then they're just getting wrecked.
And they're just 100x leveraging.
Yeah, and then the whales and the market makers are just racking them left and right.
You gotta be, yeah,
Gotta be a market maker.
Yeah, that's the way to make it. Just be a market maker, bro.
Just be a market maker. Come on, just put a 10, 20 mil in at one time.
Quit being a little bitch and fucking put some money in the game. Not financial advice.
NFA. Suspected North Korean hackers moved 63.5 milli in ETH stolen from the Horizon Bridge. Remember that nice Horizon attack last year? 41,000 ETH over the weekend was moved. They were finally moved. They were routed to a privacy exchange called Railgun.
That sounds cool.
I want to check that out. Yeah, I want to check that out. Binance froze 2.6 million of the stolen funds after they were moved to 3 centralized exchanges. This was 200 days later, so they just let that shit chill, and they were hoping no one would be watching 200
Yeah,
days
do they like? Don't forget about it, right? Like,
I know. I'm sure there's people like these on-chain sleuths that have like little alarms set on certain wallets,
Oh,
and
I'm
then
sure.
when the activity starts back up, they get a little notification, and then they get all excited because they're like,
Yeah.
"Oh, here we go!"
something's happening.
Yeah, it was Zach XBT who first detected the suspicious activity, and and security firm Slow Mist. So, yeah, they're transferring the money around. Kim, he needs some new sunglasses. So, got to move that money over. He's like, I gotta make him a new bomb. I need a new bomb.
That fucking.
Can we bring that money over that we hacked last year? I need new bomb.
New bomb? Yeah, I mean, dude, maybe just feed your fucking citizens and shit. You know? Really, I mean, if you're stealing all this crypto, fucking. I know. You're like lame idea. Wow, Mr. Take Profits over here, the worst dictator ever.
Yeah, pissing on the dictator fund.
You stole all that crypto and gave it to the people? You
dare you,
dipshit.
Yeah.
Go build yourself a golden palace and
yeah, go hang out in the forest.
A yacht made out of gold and everything gold.
Logan Paul
I love
offering
gold.
1.3 million in refunds for CryptoZoo. So he issued an apology video. He's finally admitted defeat. And he is outlining
he
a
really
potential refund here.
Oh, and I'm sure the suit on CoffeeZilla is dropped.
Oh yeah, he dropped that. Yeah, he dropped that. Yeah. Yeah.
Logan Paul, what a little bitch, dude! Doesn't he have a pig that he just like abandoned some pig he had or something?
Pig?
Yeah,
I don't know,
dude. He has like this big ass white pig, and they found it like in the field, just kind of like abandoned.
I had no idea.
The
pig probably preferred that. I mean, it was did he have this pig in his house, like just chilling? The poor pig was probably like, "Get me the fuck outside."
It was a big ass pig, dude. I'm pretty sure Logan Paul could afford a little stable for it. You know what I mean? Like, pretty sure he's got the yard for it.
Does he keep animals in his yard? I don't know. I didn't know he was an animal keeper.
I don't know, man. I don't watch him enough to know.
Is he like homesteading?
Does he live
Logan
in
Paul start homesteading?
Did he
move
have
to like
a
Montana?
fucking condo? Does he have a penthouse? I don't know.
I don't know what he has.
I don't know. I don't know how
really
Logan
about
Paul.
him.
Let's get him on the show.
No.
We gotta ask him about his pig. And
throw up in my mouth.
His zoo.
So I guess Logan Paul and Jeff. Yeah, that is true. It's called CryptoZoo. Maybe he has a real zoo.
I'm telling you, he has a fetish with farm animals or something like that. You know,
he wants to be a zookeeper. That was his childhood dream. He ended up being some kind of influencer. I don't know why he's famous, even actually at all. I don't really know why he's famous.
Was he just doing a
sex
streamer? Was he just a streamer first, or why the fuck is Logan Paul famous? What did he do?
Know,
Chat, help us out. Why is he? What did he do?
He made an NFT project, dude.
I kind of got him confused for a long time with that PewDiePie streamer. That you don't hear about PewDiePie anymore, do you?
I think he
just kind of dropped off.
He doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't do as much now. Stuff. Logan Paul and Jeff Levine, his manager, will burn their zoo tokens, so they have no financial upside in the project anymore. Paul will offer a rewards program for players disappointed in the game who can burn a base egg or base animal for the mint price of 0.01 ETH or equivalent in BNB. Logan is personally committing 1.3 million for players who want to get out. Finish and deliver the game as outlined in the white paper by completing the egg bridge from ETH to BSC for base animals and base eggs. Complete the marketplace and release of animals into the wild to accrue yield function. So he's saying, okay, we're going to take ourselves out of the project financially. We're going to reward people who
his
hated
lawyer
the
probably
game.
told him to do that.
Yeah, and then exactly. And then they're gonna try to finish the game still. Well, we'll see. We'll see if that happens. Yeah, I guess it went quiet for a year.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. I think it was so funny how
Another rug.
You know. Hey, you fuck around and find out. You know, you You throw shit on the spaghetti.
We
on the
tried some
wall.
shit. We learned some
Yeah.
shit.
Try some shit. Learn some shit.
Now we're trying
Just
some
as
other
Frank
shit.
says. Yeah.
Just like Frank says.
Yeah.
Just like Frankie
Yeah.
Boy says.
Yeah.
We're
Hey,
cannon-
how high does Soul need to go until he moves everything back to Soul?
till he cancels the bridge.
Until he's like,
Soul goes back to 200 over the summer and
Actually-
he cancels the bridge.
we're gonna keep Polygon's money, but we're just gonna stay on Soul. You know?
Yeah, I think because Polygon gave him money, they're kind of. I think they probably signed a contract. I think it's
gotta do
probably
something.
the deal's done at this point. But that's funny. That's a funny
Yeah.
joke.
Yeah, because he's all
Um,
and that's really just the same thing as like trading. It's the trader mentality, man. It's all up here. It's like it doesn't matter. It's the easiest fucking thing to get in a position or start some fucking project and whatnot. But it's the hardest thing to stay in it, or to stick with your strategy and everything. And I feel like he just has like that trader, a poor trader mentality where he just is chasing the most shiniest object all the fucking time. And
Yeah, well, he's
it's just
young.
like
he's a zoomer.
he is
You know,
young. He's a
we
zoomer.
can't- They're like that. They're ADD as fuck. I have a little bit of it in me. I'm remembering this now, DJ. Logan Paul, remember, he got famous because that video he made in Japan with the dead
suicide,
forest.
the
Yeah, and
dead
there was a
Pete,
dead person in there. And
Oh,
it
hanging
got
and
all
shit.
that was.
Is that dead
That's
forest still a thing? Like you're a whole bunch of Japanese
Yeah.
dudes just going off and hanging themselves still in that forest?
Yeah, well, when I don't show up, you know where I went.
Damn. That's not funny.
I
That's-
didn't say
that's-
it was. I wasn't making a joke. You
Why am I
thought it was
laughing
funny.
then?
You're the one who thought it was funny. I didn't laugh.
Oh,
Canon filed a trademark application last week to make a stupid NFT marketplace. Like, you gotta make a
swear,
trademark for
dude.
your dumb NFT marketplace.
why the fuck does everyone feel like they got to have a goddamn marketplace, man? Everyone's making a
They
fucking
just don't have any
marketplace. Like,
original ideas. They just go and
Like,
look at
what
what
in the
everyone else
world,
is doing,
dude?
and they just go, "Oh yeah, we should do that. That's cool."
we did
You know, the only I could see Canon. I think it's stupid gimmick. What I could see is I could see like a stock photo site or something maybe, but I think
See,
yeah.
yeah, something like
Canon, I
NFT
don't understand.
kind of.
Unless they're gonna,
ownership
maybe
of
they're gonna.
photos and stuff like
know.
that. Maybe it's like that. Maybe it is a stock photo thing, but it's all centered around the photographer.
Maybe
the
the Canon is trying to like make a photography NFT marketplace. I'm sure.
Did they say
that's
what
the plan.
chain they're making it on? Like, is it?
It's probably Polygon. No, it doesn't. This isn't like official. It's just like a trademark that they filed. People love to make the trademark news articles. Oh, something's happening. They already did a NFT collection called Canon Legends. Cringe. Magic Eden. Oh boy. Okay, so it was probably Solana. Okay, that's it for the news section. The rest of the news is in the NFT stuff. So let's head on over to the charts. Here we are.
Let's check out some
beautiful.
numbers. We'll start with
Charts.
Sol here since we were just talking about it. And I see, okay, there's a couple things here. All right. Let me get my mouse over here. Figure this shit out on my so. All right. We have room to still pump, I think, for Sol. I mean, we have these vector candles here that we still have that zone to claim. We also have the volume, range high, and 200 moving average right up here. I think, yeah, so I could see room to pump. The kimono wave things, what is the kimono wave telling us? Well, RSI is crossed and we're starting to head down, which means price is more likely to go down, fall down from this range than it is to pump. Also, the wave is starting to pinch in, right? We're really kind of waiting here to see if we get a overbought signal here on the kimono wave, that red dot, to really give us a nice clear signal that we are in fact kind of come down. VWAP here, this is the daily too, so be cautious because the market could move faster than what this picks up, right? I mean, we could get a giant wick down, and of course we get a red dot, but you already missed the move. So, be cautious of that, right? Just because right now, price above the 50 moving average coming down to test the 50 would be, I think pretty logical here. Because there's confluence, right? There's a volume range high, right? This is support. Well, what a Sol Maxi would want support to be, and you have the 50 moving average, right? So there's confluence down here to come, have a retrace to get a bounce from this level here. That's like 16, 17, maybe even come down to 15, and see what happens here. But I mean, the red money flow wave, right? It's starting to open back up, right? VWAP coming down. This all looks pretty ripe for a dump, at least to the retrace. You know what I mean? At least a retrace back here to some support. And if you look back here, it tested these wicks here, and so it's just like I want to say, yeah, there's more room to go, but I think this pump could be dying off here is what it might be looking like. Let's check out some ETH. ETH is challenging the 200 moving average, challenging the volume range high, right? So again, it's like it's all ripe, and we still actually failed to get higher highs from here. That's a fact. So it's just, I just can't imagine this pump sustaining much longer, right? I expect a retrace. Let's have a healthy bounce here on the point of control, which is support. Beautiful. I'd like to see, because we got our beautiful W here, right? We got our beautiful W. Let's just come back, challenge that level of support, and get higher highs and start getting this reversal trend happening. All right, that's what I want to see before I'm saying, oh, that's the bottom, we're done. Not saying that yet. Not at all. So I want to see what goes on there, and I think there's some inflation news coming out today. What is happening? I looked this up over the weekend and be like, what's going on? No, okay. Just kidding. I don't think so.
Today I don't see nothing. Oh wait. Oh no. Oh yeah. Let's see. Tuesday.
It's Canadian CPI. Like, who cares about Canadian? All right. Well,
they have a consumer price index. Oh, there's consumers there. Oh. I thought it was a frozen tundra.
I just thought it was, yeah, dude. I just saw
just kidding.
I thought the Canada-America border was just a giant wall of ice.
An ice wall, yeah.
Yeah, like they have it.
That's why they didn't have to build a wall up there. Because there's a natural ice.
There's already one there. Yeah, it's just a big block of ice up there.
It's an ice wall.
Yeah, they just play hockey up there, and that's about it. So
they come out of their ice holes, their ice caves to play hockey every once in a while.
Ice holes.
Oh, this is fun. Okay.
They're igloos. They just live in fucking igloos.
Well, let's not go there, buddy.
What?
Don't.
You're saying they're crawling out of ice holes. Igloos makes way more logical sense. You wouldn't live in an ice hole. You'd live in an igloo.
I didn't want to go Canadian. To the. I didn't want to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Anyway, moving on. All right.
Didn't want to desecrate the Inuits, bro.
No, that's not desecrating Inuits. It's ridiculous.
Didn't want to make fun of Inuits. I was being culturally sensitive.
There was nothing insulting. We weren't being insulting.
You were insulting them. Yeah.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah.
That isn't. No, I wasn't. There was no insult whatsoever.
I heard it.
There wasn't an insult.
Yeah.
I was just saying that Canadians live in igloos, and it's a joke, but we all know it's real.
Very insulting joke. Yeah.
They just ice skate to their school and shit. They don't walk anywhere. They just skate everywhere. Anyways, let's move on. We got to move on to a different topic.
You're anchoring the
I'm not going to make fun. I'm making fun of Canadians. Okay, I would say that. But I love
Let's be
Canada.
real. No Canadians watch the show. They don't have any
Yeah.
money. Can we just keep going on about Canadians? Okay.
Oh, AVAX is up 6%. A big winner today. Check
Hey,
it
move
out.
your chart over a little bit, the head of your chart. Yeah, there you go.
Don't tell me how to
How to chart?
Yeah, so price here. Diddling in the
thing's
middle, man.
popping.
You're diddling right in the middle of the 50 moving average to 200, right? I would look for shorts up here. But we might not make it, right? Like, we're not getting on a lot of these tokens.
Potential
We're not getting
resistance
higher
here.
highs, are we? I mean, we're getting a pump, but I mean, we're not getting higher highs. So
Yeah, well,
I mean,
maybe not yet. You know, so you got to come back down a little bit.
Healthy retrace, I think, is what we need here. What else is pumping or dumping here? We've got DOT up 3%. I haven't messed with DOT in a while.
Polkadot.
There we go. Looking for that optimism here. All right.
Ooh, that's looking optimistic.
Dude,
Wow,
I'm telling
dude.
you, I've
Blasting
been,
through resistance there.
I've been twittering
What
about
resistance?
optimism here, and I'm telling you, it's
Yeah,
looking
that is
pretty
an optimistic chart.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Bullish.
I think we're so optimistic on optimism, they should sponsor the show. I'm just saying, you know.
Yeah,
I think,
I agree.
I mean, on the 50, I mean, the bullish signs I see here. All right. We are, I would say, I mean, optimism, I would say, versus a lot of these other tokens we were looking at, like the bottoms in, right? I mean,
whoa! What did he just say? Whoa!
You're such a loser. All right. So, yeah.
Whoa! The
That
bottom's
horn,
in.
bro. I mean, if you look back here in July, right, it was treated as support back in October. All right. And we've just been ranging for geez, probably almost a year, for several months. And right now we're breaking that range up here. Now I would like to see, again, healthy retrace is, I think, in order. I mean, I now the retrace could be probably treating this level here, this zone, as support. So I could expect it to come back a little bit into the range and then getting a pump up. And that actually, there's some confluence here, right? We have a moving average right around that level that we could come down, test the price, and then get a movement up. Same with the 50 moving average. Since the 50 moving average is above the 200, when price comes down to challenge the 50 moving average, I'm expecting a reversal, a bounce upward. Okay, it's just I expect to see. I'm betting that we get a bullish pattern on the 50 moving average is what I'm saying. The probabilities of when the price challenges the 50 right now of it bouncing up are much higher than the probabilities of it dumping, right? So that's all. That's what it's all about, guys. Just probabilities here.
That's what it's all about.
So, yeah, I'm gonna be patient here, and wait for the price to come back, challenge that 50 moving average. And look, that 50 moving average right now is at a strong level of support too. So confluence, looking pretty good here. I wanted to see, let's see, what's the S&P 500 doing here? Oh my goodness. Okay. S&P 500. So I do this W pattern, right? We're wanting to see price break, you know, to break this trend, all right, and get this pattern going, so we could say, okay, the stocks are done dumping. Let's go bullish momentum. But right now, as you can see, it's testing that trend level. We're back at it. We're back at the trend, and the trend is our friend until the end. All right, it's been our friend. It's been our friend. It's been our friend twice, and now it's our friend again. I'm expecting for the price for the stocks here to get slapped back down.
I'm sure you are. I would expect
it's
nothing
happened.
less.
This is the trend. Okay, I don't make up the fucking
Not
rules.
looking great. Yeah.
You do like to see higher lows here.
Of course. Yeah, that's the only.
That's the only thing that's really looking too hot, right? That's the only thing that's looking good. But I mean, kimono wave here is even showing you like we have a nice extended green wave. When it's extended like this, you got to be asking yourself, how much more can it go? And then when we're at a trend like this, and every time we get to this trend, we're getting dumped, slapped right back down. It's just what I'd expect to happen. So, yeah, we are due for some retrace here on everything. So, take your damn profits. Take them.
Dude, everything? Is that what you just said?
Take them. I mean, look. I mean, the total market cap for crypto too. I mean, look at this fucking beautiful. Whoops.
Whoa, what are you doing, buddy?
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Just beautiful. People are pulling their money.
Chart over a little bit. No one.
Why can't you see? What's going on?
Because your face is in front of what you're looking at right now.
Oh, I see that. Has it always done that? Did you make it bigger or something?
No. You just usually move it in the center, kind of generally.
Oh, okay. All right.
And usually just kind of on cue.
There's
something wrong in your coffee. There's something weird.
Thanks, director. Thanks, director. Anyways, I mean, look at the market cap here. I mean, it came up and challenged and consumed this entire red vector candle. That is beautiful. That is money. That is money coming out of the dollar and going into crypto.
Yeah.
So that is a beautiful sight.
Yes.
Beautiful sight.
Very beautiful.
I love the dollar. I do. And look, the dollar, the death cross. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the death cross. We got it. The 50 is now below the 200 moving average, which is all signals for me says, hey, when price returns to that 50 moving average, it's going to get slapped right back down. Okay. That's what that's telling me. That is the probabilities that we are dealing with here. So that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, so let's see what happens with the dollar here. I mean, there's it's sticking to this level of support down here. So maybe we're due for a little retrace up and challenge this level of resistance. And maybe by that time, the 50 moving average, right? I could see from here, right? We've had price challenge the 50 moving average, get pulled away, come up to about this level while the 50 moving average is coming down. Do that again. You see that? Like that? Yeah. That makes sense because we're all seeing the crypto market. We're like, okay, healthy pullback is probably likely here. And we're looking at the dollar, and that goes into that same narrative. We're looking for a little pump from the dollar right now, challenge those levels of resistance, 50 moving average. So we're just playing. It's working out beautifully. It's like a beautiful orchestra where everyone's playing their instruments,
their parts. Everyone's doing a good job.
Yes, and Freeman's over there with the little triangle. You know,
ting 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 ting.
No, dude, you don't ting it that much. No, you just do a ting.
That's why no one ever gives it to me because I've had too much coffee and I'm just like ding ding. I'm like
you just stick it in the middle and just do the whole like dinner time thing. Yeah,
literally. People want to kick me out of the band, but they can't.
That's why you're not in my band.
They're racist. Because you're racist.
We're starting a GM band and Freeman's not in it
because you're racist.
What? Why am I racist?
All I got to do. That's all I got to do. That's why they keep me in the band.
That doesn't even make sense.
I always have to threaten them with that. That's why I never get kicked out.
You can't kick me out. That would mean that you're racist.
Yeah. Stop Asian hate. Okay. Anything else you want to show us? That's how you finish
all your tweets. You're like, hashtag stop Asian hate.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Well, no, maybe, but now I will. Okay, let's go to the intermission, Sean.
Yeah, let's go.
We're going to hit the intermission, and when we get back, we're going to watch a nice little video together about the Dookie Dash. So don't go anywhere. Like, subscribe. If you're on Rumble, click the little... Oh, yeah, it's actually a like button now. I always forget. It's not a plus anymore. Anyway,
Shout out
we'll
to
be
Rumble.
right back in about 2 minutes. Shout out to Rumble. Love you guys.
They tell your kids they got to love Justin Bieber, and and then your children are turned into mindless vassals. They look up to some twit instead of looking up to Nikola Tesla or looking up to Magellan. I mean, kids, Magellan's a lot cooler than Justin Bieber. He circumnavigated with one ship the entire planet. He was killed by wild natives before they got back to Portugal. And when they got back, there was only like 11 people alive of the 200 and something crew, and the entire ship was rotting down to the waterline. That's destiny. That's will. That's striving. That's being a trailblazer and explorer. Going into space, mathematics, quantum mechanics, the secrets of the universe. It's all there. Life is fiery with its beauty. It's incredible detail. Tuning into it. They want to shatter your mind talking about Justin Bieber.
Hello, it's Freeman from GMTV. Don't get hacked like I did. Get yourself a Ledger wallet at gmtv.lol/ledger.
You're the Jim Cramer of crypto now.
Freeman, no one can hear you if you're trying to talk, man. I don't know. I see your mouth
What do you
moving,
mean?
but I don't hear anything.
Oh.
So you muted yourself.
What the heck?
So anyway, just do sign language, bro. What's that? What was that?
Hello?
So
No one can hear me.
since here,
Wow.
I was pretty optimistic for it.
I'm a pimp on
I
a
was pretty
blimp.
optimistic, and Freeman's gone. Fine, I'll do this on my own.
Bing bong.
Thank you for watching GMTV.
Thanks for sticking around, everybody, through that brief little intermission. Mr. Take Profits and I were just talking about how there needs to be a Magellan HBO series or something.
Yeah,
Why not?
put that shit on Disney
not?
Plus or something.
Sounds like
you
it'd be
know?
epic. Yeah. Sounds like
Yeah.
it'd be epic.
No, I want it to be like raw. I want it to be like on HBO. Yeah, because I
Yeah,
want it to
Disney
be, like-
Plus. Is that
like
what you just
fucking-
said? God damn.
There's a lot of
Tits.
like Mandalorian and shit. There's
Yeah,
decent things
there's
on
like
Disney
kids.
Plus.
Yeah,
okay?
like sci-fi
like-
kids shows. Triggered the Star Wars fan. I love to trigger
I was
Star
gonna say,
Wars people.
Star Wars.
Star Wars
I
is
love
the I always trigger Star Wars people when I talk about it. Oh God, that's why I try not to talk about Star Wars to people, because they always get triggered when I say how shitty it all is. Anyway, see, he's just
No, dude, no one's.
jaw.
Yeah, like
It's
I thought you
just- yeah.
wanted viewers on our show, but now it's like people are gonna be like, I'm not gonna
Push 'em
fucking
away.
watch this
Push them
goddamn
away.
Star Wars hater.
I don't. Yeah, if you're a Star Wars fan, exit. Just leave. Just click off. It's that
No,
easy.
don't.
It's that easy.
Don't.
Okay, let's watch this video. Well, I guess
Yes,
you know what,
show
we'll
me
look
this.
at the
Let's
look
watch a
at the
video.
chart real quick.
You're like that substitute teacher that just shows up to class and is like, "Here, we're just gonna watch this video today."
No, we're gonna do an analysis of the video, which substitute teachers do not do, and we are also gonna look at the charts here. Looking at the charts, we got the memes by 6529 up at the top, Mutant Ape Yacht Club right below it, sitting around 16 ETH, and a kid called Beast. I haven't looked into that one yet. Checks. Haven't looked at that. Milady Maker is making a push into the top 10. Actually, this is like some weird culty project that we haven't really done any deep dives into before on the show, but it's got a weird following.
It's official Milady
Yeah,
Is that it?
this is Milady Maker. Yeah, the Milady
It's
Maker.
the official one.
Yeah,
All
this
right.
is the OG one.
right.
And you know what? I want to go look at.
Yeah,
the
why did that
analytics on
pop
this
up?
one. Yeah, I don't know if something's going
Dude,
on.
I
over
just
there.
know
Well,
that like
a weird
that.
little-
I just
weird
know the
little cult.
group, the Milady group, is like they're different. You know,
Yeah, they're
like,
different.
They're different.
Yeah,
Not
that's
like all.
what I
They
hear.
aren't like. They're very unique.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's a
that
unique
whole.
group. Yeah, it's a little cult,
Yeah.
dude. It's a little cult.
It is.
Look at that floor
Yeah.
price. Holy shizzle! It was sitting down around 0.75. It's over doubled. I mean, it's gone a whole 1.2 ETH up pretty much.
Yeah.
In just
And
a couple
I don't.
days.
And
So
I don't
that's
know
amazing.
what is like
Should
when
have
they
bought one of
all
these.
came out. When they all came out and it became really popular. Like to me, I never got in because obviously I'm an idiot. But I just don't like the art. Like I don't know. I'm not an art fan of the art at all.
Yeah,
I still don't understand.
I think that's part of like there's something I don't know. We should do a Milady Maker dive one day where we go into this weird community and try to figure out what this is.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
I
we
certainly
should.
don't super
I'm surprised
understand
we
it.
haven't already. Honestly,
I've
but-
just never gone to their Discord or anything. I've just thought it was kind of weird. I still think it's weird.
Yeah.
But they've got memes. They do have memes, that's for sure. They're memers, you know. They like the memes. This is a call for love. Join me right now. With the guns.
Yes.
See, it's gonna get weird. The more you get into this, the weirder things.
The weirder
get.
it gets. Yeah. I know. Which makes me surprised too at the same time why I don't have a bag of these.
I was gonna say, it gets you excited?
It does.
PSYOP drone swarm terrorizes enemies with Nickelback. What is this?
Nice.
The Japanese say you have three faces. The first face you show to the world. The second face you show to your close friends and your family. The third face is a neo chibi. It is the truest reflection of who you are.
Cool.
So anyway, those are doing well. So Yuga released a video about the Dookie Dash.
Yes.
So
I saw this, but yeah, let's watch it.
Okay, let's watch this.
Well, actually, I didn't watch the whole thing, so
Okay, well, here we go.
it's really hard for
it's-
me to pay attention to videos for very long.
I know.
A whole lot's happened in the swamp. Let's recap.
Okay, this is the recap, guys.
Competed for glory when we got over here. And a whole bunch of other really cool stuff took place in between then
bunch of
and
just
now.
shit that we
Which
just
all
shilled
leads
to.
us to the trial of Jimmy the monkey.
Here we are.
It all started when Jimmy took a shit so atomic, he ripped the damn hole in the space-time continuum. Curtis was handed a mysterious box and a key from another universe, but instead of opening it, they partied.
Oh, no.
And now the key is inconveniently stuck inside Jimmy's back door. His, wazoo.
Can you imagine them trying to figure out the script for explaining all this?
Yeah,
They're like,
I can't.
okay, so then
I can't.
So
They
then we're
literally-
gonna say he
had
partied
an
all night
idea
and
board.
got it stuck up his ass.
They had an idea board, and they're like, instead of choosing ideas, be like, we'll just fucking shove
Throw-
it all in there,
How
and we'll
about you
make
just-
it all work.
Or throw darts at the ideas. So, okay, first it's gonna be this key that Jimmy gets from something, and then it's gonna
It's
get
just like
up his
Mad
ass.
Libs.
Yeah,
You know,
he
they
took a
just start
big
filling
shit
in.
and it exploded. Yeah, Mad Libs.
Chocolate pocket.
Chocolate
It's his
pocket.
butthole. Now
I've
it's
never
up
heard
to
of
us to open that box, and we got to take the long way around to get the key. Through the sewer. Starting January 17th, each ape and mutant can claim a sewer pass that grants access to the bowels of the yacht club for a skill-based mint called Dookie Dash that begins January 18th. You'll be able to claim one sewer pass per bored ape or mutant ape you own, and there are special tiers if you have a doggo to go with. Depending on what you've got, your sewer pass may include a sweet bonus. While apes are the only ones who can claim a sewer pass, anyone who has a sewer pass can play, not just apes. You can get a sewer pass anytime between January 17th and February 8th. Make sure you hold on to your sewer pass and play at least once if you want to make the most of it. On January 18th, the sewer will open. The trans-dimensional portal flooded the sewer with powerful fragments from another universe. You'll want to collect these fragments, and some are worth more points than others. Watch out for obstacles and survive as long as you can to rack up more points. You can also use ApeCoin to buy power-ups that'll help you. You'll have 3 weeks to play as many times as you want. This is a skill-based mint. The long
I'm glad they actually though are making this like it's not like a mind-blowing game, right? But it's a game that's at least, you know, if they're gonna be like touting themselves as like a video game company now, essentially, you better at least do something cool for your mint that's video game like this.
you survive and the
it's
more
like-
fragments
it's
you
like
pick up,
Flappy Birds, but you're a monkey
Yeah,
in a
but-
sewer.
yeah, exactly.
looking for
Three-dimensional
meat
Flappy
covered
Birds.
in shit. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's great.
Yeah, three-dimensional Flappy
the
Birds.
higher your score, the highest score you get across all your runs will be recorded. And when the sewer closes, the highest score amongst all players gets the key. And all
So now everybody's going to be doing cool gaming, streaming content with this game, and we'll just stream other people's streams and say it's us. And
Yeah.
you won't know we're just restreaming somebody
Yeah, I told.
as they play.
Yeah.
We're just voiceovering it. It's muted, and we're just like, oh
Whoever
yeah, this
gets
is
that
fun.
Key, how, dude? You think that key? I bet you that key's gonna sell for $1 million.
What kind of a dog shit game is this? Yeah, well, it's not.
It's not dog
It's not
shit. It's ape
supposed
shit.
to be impressive, but I mean, maybe it's supposed to be impressive. Definitely not like, you know, this isn't super impressive.
I like this screen that you
something.
paused on.
Yeah, I know. This is kind of my favorite shot actually so far.
Yeah, it's good.
sewer passes will prepare for the summoning. Pay attention, this next part is important. Your high score in the game is tied to the combination of your wallet and your sewer pass. If you give away your pass or it gets moved to another wallet, the score does not go with it.
Oh.
It's now a new wallet and pass combination.
Interesting.
However, if you get that same pass back, as long as it's in the original wallet you played with, your high score will be there. Passes can only have one score tied to them, so when the sewer closes on February 8th, we will be re-verifying every single entry to make sure no one got up to any monkey business. Also, take note, when the sewer closes, the leaderboard freezes. After scores are validated, your sewer passes will be eligible for the most exciting part.
What is it?
The summoning!
Shit!
Gary, the great dog prophet, has been studying the box that Curtis received and thinks conditions are right to perform a summoning ritual that will bring incredible power sources from another dimension into our world. Gary will be watching you in the sewer because on February 15th, eligible sewer passes can participate in the summoning. Your best score will determine what it reveals. So keep those sewer passes close by. The reveal is just
Dude, there's so many layers to this goddamn thing.
I know.
your power
lost
source
me
will
there
be
at
able
the
to
end.
evolve through a sequence of various ApeCoin powered minigames.
We're gonna do like storytelling and like gameplay and like mysteries and like buttholes.
As the story
Too much
continues.
shit going on.
These power sources are your key to what comes next. Okay, that was a lot. But before you go posting about it on Twitter, screenshot this graph so you have something to reference. You can also check out our official website and FAQ. This has all of the answers you'll need in text format, even if you don't read. And please double check every link you click to make sure you're going to the real deal. It's almost time to literally go apeshit.
Literally.
Oh, I've been wanting to say that one for a while. Oh, see you in the sewer.
So that's the Dookie Dash, bro. This is the multi-week Dookie Dash mint. Starts tomorrow, baby.
Cool. Way too much shit going on. Way too much.
Oh man, have they've just given like Ryder a whole new chapter to work with.
Oh yeah.
Now
I
there
wanna
will
see-
be
I wanna
part
see-
2 where
I
they
want to
break
see
all this down.
Ryder's.
Yeah, they
he's
break
like-
all this down. This is
He's
somehow
all watching it. I see.
racist.
Don't you see all this racist shit going on? Don't you
Yeah, it's
see it?
obvious. Oh my god. DJ Send it to 0.
Send it to 0.
Send it to 0. Cheers. Yeah, that's our drinking game. Send it to 0. Okay, well,
yeah.
let's go back over here.
I think that they just made that shit way too complicated. Would be my critique on that one.
Yeah, I mean,
there's parts I like. I like the idea of like the like skill based mint, they call it, right? You play it.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, that's fun.
I like that.
Yeah,
the game.
If I was an ape holder, I would probably be kind of
decent enough.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, right? I mean, if I was,
if you were, dude,
free money drop coming soon. Free money.
Exactly, that's it. It's like, oh, cool. We get more shit.
This game is so good when I'm getting free money at the end of it.
You know, when you, dude, I'm telling you that
I'm getting
key,
whoever
gets that key is going to be able to sell that shit for.
Yeah,
I think
interesting too to see
100.
Yeah, well, it's going to be a fun couple of weeks to see how this all goes down. We'll of course jack other people's streams where they're playing it. And
what do you guys think? How much do you think that key's going to go for?
Oh, that's a good
when
question.
That one asshole
in the
gets
chat.
Is there anything you get, or is the key just the key is just a trophy essentially, right? There's nothing the key does.
The key. Oh god, dude, don't make me scrub.
Sorry for asking. Never mind.
Just shut up.
Forget it.
Shut up. You were supposed to be paying attention the first time. I'm not going to tell you. I know the answer. I'm just not going to tell it to you.
Oh, right. Okay.
Because you weren't watching good enough.
Yeah. Well, they lost me. They definitely lost me on the whole like dog worshipping summoning thing. Like that's where I'm like, I have no idea what the fuck is going on there.
Yeah, the key is probably like you get to be king of Yuga or something. No, I'm sure the key will have something super special.
Open the box. It opens that box.
Oh, probably.
But I don't know what.
I'll rewatch it. I'll rewatch it.
Gross, I'm sorry.
Not on stream. Don't worry. I would never do that to everybody. But I'll rewatch it. I gotta rewatch it anyway. I gotta understand what's going on. I'll take notes next time, guys.
It just bothers you not knowing, huh?
Yeah, it does bother me. Okay, what else is going on? You may be asking. Well, here's what else is going on. National Geographic GM NFTs are dropping today.
Check it.
We talked about that one a couple episodes ago. Grails 3. Dog. Looks like 52 minutes from now. I think this got pushed back, actually. It was supposed to, I think, start like maybe an hour ago. But it seems like, I don't know. Either way, this is Grails 3 is going, dude. Look at this art. Look at this Grail.
Look at it. Look at it. Would you look at it?
Grail.
Would you look at it?
Grail?
Just look at it.
Looks like it's made by a fourth grader using
I was going to say some
getting it. Looks intricate.
College dropout making art.
Speaking of fourth graders, this is like a preschooler drawing.
They did have just fourth graders make all the shit.
Oh, artist not yet revealed. Cool. So I don't know who I'm dissing right now. Good. Okay.
You're dissing a little child, but that's okay.
Oh, well. Well, if it is a child, it's great. Like, if that was my kid's drawing, I'd be like, good job! Because you're one.
You just give your kids fucking participation trophies and shit, huh?
Oh, God, no, dude. I would never give them a trophy. I would tell them how terrible they are.
You would hang that, but you would hang that piece of artwork up telling them how awesome it was.
I would do that, yeah. But only if they were like 1. You know, if they were like 12 and that was their artwork, I'd be like, son, we need to get you an art tutoring or something, son. Just use the AI, son.
Just stop.
Don't do art. You weren't born to do art. You just don't use the AI.
Do it. Maybe you're a math guy, right? But you're not.
Maybe you're more of a math guy.
Don't
What's this
try
creepy? Look at this. There's this guy standing in the background there.
Oh, see, that's lovely. That's art. Check it out.
Cool. Okay, my favorite one is the cigarette. I don't know why. It's my favorite one. Oh, and there's pills in there too. Cool. Cool. Pills. Okay, guess what's on the menu? OptiChads, floor price 0.0275. Like that.
Nice.
I'm up 0.01. Or yeah,
No,
0.01.
you pump
Yeah, I'm
it
up
up.
0.01.
You gotta pump it up.
Dickenza's at 0.02 too. Got
Yeah, I saw there
0.02.
was some new Dickenza holders too over the weekend.
Oof, beautiful. Love to see that.
Love
let's see
my
what
peanut.
This is good for Dickenza. I know Dickenza has a bag of these friendship bracelets. Pranksy broke out the broom, went and swept up.
Dude,
Two
I haven't heard from
complete
Pranksy
pallets.
in a while.
146 friendship bracelets for 151 ETH. Damn! Wow. Okay. Way to go all whale on that one.
Dude,
Wow,
yeah,
that's a
that guy. I have not
major
heard.
investment on that one.
I should maybe. I know I follow him on Twitter. I just haven't seen like what he's been up to lately.
Wow, that's incredible. So that's bullish for friendship bracelets. Although it doesn't look like really the price moved up. It looks like it went down. So that's always great. Love when somebody pumps it and then it just goes down. It's good.
Yeah,
it's good. Real
Do
good.
you think he's already selling his bags?
Dickenza or Pranksy? Pranksy? Oh, is he dumping on Folios that all followed him in? Maybe. That's like if you were an influencer and you're like, shit, I need some quick cash in the crypto space and you're anonymous, you just pretty much go and like buy, sweep the floor, buy 50 of something, and then the press picks it up and tweets go out and then all of a sudden a bunch of people are FOMOing in, and then you just turn around 2 hours later and just dump it all.
Yep.
Not financial advice, of course. I'm saying what other
Not
people
financial
do.
advice.
And I'm not an influencer. So
Not condoning that kind of
I'm not
stuff.
able to
That might
do
be
that.
illegal or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Great. Cool. Okay, this NFT Snow Crash is what is this? Oh, this is the National Geographic one. I already covered that. Alrighty, I think that's it today.
Nice.
Boys.
Nice.
I think that's it.
Solid epi today, Freeman. Solid
epi, everybody. I agree.
solid.
Solid epi. Plenty of Simeonism. Okay. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the Holders Only show. We will see you in the Holders Only show because you are a holder. And if you're not, check out gmtv.lol/NFT and get you one before
Get
the show
yourself a
tomorrow.
GM bot. Yeah.
Do it. Okay. Thank you to everybody watching on Rumble, Twitch, YouTube. We love all you guys. You make this show what it is. GM. See you later.
Bye-bye.